He did have fun.
We're gonna have some more. Look, tree. Look up. You're the cameraman. Ready? Come on, Maddox.
Do not climb up there. That's too dangerous.
Get down. That's it. Film me. Take a picture. Come, Maddox. Picture is taken.
Pictures taking. There's the owls there.
Come on. Well, they're gonna know this way. Church. Now we go to this isn't Hey!
You can't go in.
Sponsored by this church.
You're not going. It's locked. I'm running away. Until they says bye. Goodbye. What? I think I'm stuck. I just got stuck.
Help me. Okay. Max, make some camera.
Oh look!
Ooh. Ooh. Come on, let's get some documents.
Look at your shoelaces.
Okay, but
You have to make sure you tie them. You too. You're gonna fall, guys.
if you didn't know, we are actually a YouTuber.
That's awesome.
I'm Logan from Logan and Nano. We just want to document. How do you feel being here right now? in front of a
Dude.
YouTuber.
How's treating you?
It's great. We wish you guys the
Face
best
the
of your
camera.
work. Yeah, hello. Hi.
Well, this video will be posted on YouTube.
That's awesome. Can we tie your shoes so that you don't fall?
Pretty
I
embarrassing.
don't know how
on
to
YouTube.
tie my shoes.
It's okay. Do you know how to? Do you want me to help
No,
you?
he doesn't.
Yeah, I need your help.
Okay, I got you. I'll take them off.
So we got to
May
see
we drop it
police.
off at your house as we leave the church first?
Where do you guys live?
Share your address.
I don't know.
You just park here. Who's driving?
Nana,
Nana? Who's Nana?
my grandma.
Your grandma.
So is a banana.
Your grandma is close there?
He's here.
Did she come to this church?
He goes to any church.
Well, no. We are visitors.
You're visiting?
And he come here now.